A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like.
Thanks for the car.
Idiots, one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Get back to the phones for some more missions. That the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block. Great! Now, get out of there and blow the sky. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed to pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Nice one. Here's your payment. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of the Blue Mondinho parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the train. Get out of here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Here's the extra money. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a ship hidden in a bus in the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. Need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near to the smoke. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a chance. As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye open for the cops. Go back to the phones if you want more missions. Ike stopped the car in the back street. Find it before the cops do. Great! Now take Kenny's carriage at the south of the city. The cops are onto you, so better watch out. Excellent. Here's your danger money.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Hey, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. Okay, you should enjoy this. Get in the truck parked in the car park by the hotel. I fitted explosives to a few remote-controlled cars. I caught the wife with some other guy the other night, and I've just thought of the perfect punishment. Drive one of the RCs underneath the car and over to there. Hey, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. A friend just found out that I'm banging his wife. Waste him before he tracks me down. There he is! Wipe him out! Nice one. Here's your money. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. A rival gang are meeting behind some buildings to the northwest. Waste them. Watch out! They're onto you! Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Ha! Great. Here's your money.